What is the most expensive thing we all have heard? Is that money? Or is that name? Or knowledge? No, neither money pays nor name nor knowledge. It is the character that can clear through unbreakable walls of difficulties. Your character should be like lotus. When the lotus opens, the bees comes of their accord to seek honey. So let the lotus of your character to be blown, and then results will follow you. Build your character with self-confidence. What is self-confidence? Having faith in one's life, one's ability to judge his own social and personal life with respect to his circumstances. Why it is important? Confidence means believing in yourself, feeling comfortable with you, knowing you have worth. Confidence attracts people towards you. It helps to talk well with people. Confidence brings you success. Finally, you feel happy and make others also happy. As Vivekananda said, the man who does not believe in himself is an atheist. The world religion said that he was an atheist who did not believe in God. But the present religion says that he is an atheist who does not believe in himself. The biggest help we can do ourselves is having faith in us. If you have faith in you, no one can destroy you. Faith in ourselves, faith in God or something else. This is the secret of success. The ideal of the faith in ourselves is of the greatest help to us. First, focus on what makes the difference between you and others. Then develop your own personality. The main reason for the failure is lack of concentration. The man who has concentration is becoming success, while the man who is weak and low doesn't have concentration. Thousands of knowledge is within you. You just need to do is wake up and find out what you are. Then choose the right path and work on it, but never lose faith in yourself. Nothing is impossible for you. You can do anything in the universe. The only mantra is faith in yourself. You must not say that you are weak. Never underestimate yourself. Who knows what possibilities lies behind the degradation? Behind you is the ocean of the infinite power and blessedness. To succeed, you must have tremendous perseverance, tremendous will. I will drink the ocean, says the preserving soul. At my will, mountains will crumble up. Have the sort of energy, that sort of will. Work hard and you will reach the goal. Have a courage in mind, love in heart, and walk in light. Also bring those who are in dark into light.